Hey guys, hope all are doing good in this COVID period. In this video, we're going to see about how to write the nursing research. So, if you doesn't know how to take a nursing research topic, please do visit my channel and get to know how to take up your research topics, and it will be very useful for you. And in this video, we're going to see about how to write the nursing research topics. Okay, let's move to the content. Problem statement, objectives of the study, introduction, need for the study, review of literatures, hypothesis or assumption, analysis, summary, conclusion, bibliography, questionnaire tool, key answers. All these contents and subcontents must be written in the second page of your research work. Don't forget, in the second page of your research work, please do write the contents or the subcontents. Moving to the first content, problem statement. Okay, you have taken a research topic. I have taken the topic as diabetes mellitus and I have written here a descriptive study to assess the knowledge regarding diabetes mellitus among adults age group between 40 to 70 years. Okay, so ever if you're taking cancer as your topic or road traffic accidents or topic or any other drug abuses or your topic, do write a descriptive study to assess the knowledge about drugs among the adolescents, or a descriptive study to assess the depression level of cancer patients among the age group. In among which age group you're going to take, please do note it. And your problem statement should consist of two kinds of studies, like descriptive study and a quantitative study. I do want to mention the two differences here. Descriptive study is gonna do all about the descriptions of the samples, like characteristics. Here when it comes to quantitative study, it's gonna answer for from, where, whom, when, and why, and what. Okay, so next subcontent is objectives of the study. Objectives. In the objectives, you're going to write the aim of your study. What is the aim? What is the importance? Why you're doing this? I did for to get to know the knowledge on the diabetes among the samples whom I've taken. So if we ever want to know about the importance or the informations, do write your aim and the objectives in a proper way. Next, moving to the introduction. Your introduction topic is going to cover all the senses on your research topic. Here, I have given the amount of patients have been suffering with diabetes mellitus in India, like 62 million diabetic individuals currently diagnosed with the disease all over in India, and 171 in 2000, and 366 million will be in 2030 with a maximum increase in India. And it is predicted that in 2030 diabetes mellitus may affect up to 79.4 million. So your introduction topic must consist all the census points. Okay, so when you're googling, google the topic which is very which has a very good content, and it should cover all the senses, the condition in a precise manner. So let's see about need for the study. In the need for the study, you're going to mention what is the need of your research topic. The need of my research topic is how many of the samples are literated and how many of them know about the diabetes mellitus. So please do mention what is the need of your study. It may be like you're going to give the health education on the road traffic accidents to the samples, or you're going to create awareness about the breast cancer, or you're going to give the infos about how to prevent the drugs or drug addicts among the adolescents. It's all about what is the need, what is the importance of your study. You're going to write in the need for study. So next is review of literature. Almost you're going to write up 5 to 6 reviews of literature. I'm going to tell you what you're going to write in the review of literature. Okay, the first point should consist of which kind of study you're going to write and by whom you have taken. Like I have written a descriptive study was conducted by Dr. So and so in the which villages community village called Sadik, Punjab, and on which date it has been taken. The first point should consist of all this. And the second point, what is the aim of your study? My aim is was to determine the baseline knowledge level of awareness. And the third point is how many samples you have taken. I have written here 300 samples have been taken. And the fourth point should be data collection. How did you collect your data? I have collected my data through the questionnaire tool. And how did you collected your data? Like you may be collected your data through the interview method, through the basic line of communication. There are so many methods of collecting the data. Please do watch it. What are the ways of collecting data, and please write down in which way you have collected your data. And the fifth point is analysis. Analysis is nothing but you're going to write the percentage, how many of the samples you have taken may be literated, or how many of them know about the awareness, or how many of them know the informations about the concerned research topic what you're doing. Okay, so the analysis should consist of the census in the percentage. And the sixth is recommendation. Recommendation is nothing but the ideas what you are recommending. I have recommended here more awareness should be created on diabetes mellitus, and the planned program should be happening in the concerned area, and the review of literature will be done by the scientists or the doctors previously. Please take the review of literature nearer, very nearer to the year what you are doing. Okay, like if you are doing taking like 2002 or 1990s, never gonna come across the information what you are taking right now. Please take the review of literature which was happened nearly like 2016 to 2020. So this is the review of literature. I will tell you another points also. Research design, where it was done by whom and when, sample, data collection, analysis, and the recommendation. This all should be kept in mind when you're writing the review of literatures. And moving to the tools, how I have found my tool. Please do watch it. Please write 15 to 20 tools in your research work. So now again we are going to the content back. Till review of literature, I've told you how to write. Now we are moving to the sixth sub-content, hypothesis or assumption. Hypothesis or assumption is your own idea. My own idea is I'm going to create awareness, and I'm going to give the health education to the samples after my research work. So analysis is nothing but I have taken 30 samples, I did a research, and among them 55 percentage will be knowing already about the diabetes mellitus. Remaining 45 percentage they doesn't even have any idea about the disease. And this is the summary, sorry, analysis you're going to write. And while coming to the summary, brief information what you did on your research work, and conclusion, you're going to write so and so research work has been done among the samples, where it was done, when it was done, and by whom it was done, how many samples you have taken. Okay, so in the bibliography you're going to write what are the books you have referred to do this research work, and questionnaire tool must be added at the end of your research work, and with the key answers. Never forget to attach the key answers. In this video you have been dealing with the contents, sub contents, what you're going to add and write in your research work. And if you still have any doubt, please mail to sarahsolomontutorial@gmail.com. And I have given you the brief content, and never rely with my content only. Please do listen to the lecturer who have been taking the research classes for you, because I have learned and listened to my lecturer, and I have taken all these ideas and informations through my lecturer. And please get the ideas, but never rely to the same video. Listen to your lecturer, rely on the certain ideas, and do follow your research work. And I just want to wish all the very best for all the nursing researchers who is working on it and who has worked on it. And we are going to see with fantastic ideas and fantastic medical research topics in our next video. Till then, I'm signing off. Bye bye.